And my voice might be a little low.
Hey guys, it's Strawberry Swirl here, and today
I'm going
in the video because I have a sore throat, so let's get started.
And my voice might be a little
I'm using
low,
dry
or
detergent.
like
Liquid detergent works better,
in
but
the video
like,
because
I
I have a sore throat,
so let's get started. So I'm using dry detergent. Liquid detergent works better, but like I don't have
so
that
let's get
kind.
started.
First, I'm gonna add a little bit of Elmer's glue.
The
dry
spoon in a bowl.
detergent. So let's get started.
Only add a little bit
First,
by a little
I'm
bit,
gonna add a
then
little
you might
bit of
need more after, and you
the
dry detergent.
So
only add a little bit
get
by
all
a
the air
little
out.
bit, because then you might need more after, and you might go in.
So and get all the air out. And if you want, you can add the glue before before the detergent. And if you're young, you can ask an adult to help you with this part. Okay, I think that's enough glue. Now we're gonna mix it. I'll mix it. So you can see the glue is mixing in with that. Okay, it's not enough, so let's add some more glue. Okay, I think my glue's finished. It's like finishing. And do not use a glue stick. That will not work at all. Okay, just mix it. Okay guys, I'll cut back to when I am like done mixing. Okay guys, I made two types. This one is without water and this one is with water, so it's like more watery. It's like really watery. So, okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have all the links down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Bye.